Hi everyone, I'm Milky Jane Camero. This is the continuation of Declaration the Rights of the Child Principle. So, Principle 4, the child shall enjoy the benefits of social security. So, ang pasabutan ni is, naadjud katungod ang mga bata sa pagdawat o pinansyal nga tabang gikan sa programa sa social security sa gobyerno. Kasagaran ani is mahitabo if ang ginikanan sa bata kay namatay na or naay disability ang ginikanan sa bata or kanang retired ang ilahang ginikanan sa ilahang gitrabahoan. So kani nga mga benefits ug mga saktong condition is yan siya is magkalahi-lahi ni siya depende sa system sa social security sa isa ka community. Kinsa ang qualifies for social security benefits di ay? Syempre ang children can receive social security benefits if they are biological adopted or stepchild or of a parent who is eligible for social security. Benefits due to retirement, disability, or death, maotong inguna ko earlier, katong makahatag sila or makabenepisyo sila if ang ilahang ginikanan is namatay na or naay disability or retired na sa ilahang gitrabahoan. So, napod ni siya unmarried and under in 18 years old or up to age 19 if a full-time high school student. Disabled children older than 18 may also qualify if their disability began before age 22. Principle 4 is naan ni siya types of benefits, which is ang dependent benefits ug ang survivor benefits. So, first is ang dependent benefits. So, unsa lugar ning dependent benefits? So, ang dependent benefits is these are the paid to children of a retired or disabled parent. The amount is typically up to half of the parent's full benefit. Then ang survivor benefits is these are paid to children of a deceased parent who had sufficient work history under the social security system. The amount is usually 75% of the parent's full benefit. Of course, naapoy eligibility criteria for social security benefits for children. So first is age. Of course, kabalo naman gyud ta nga nakabase sa imuhang edad ang imuhang benepisyo sa social security. Next is disability status. Third is family income, and last is survivor benefits. So, napoy importance of social security benefits for children. So first is financially stability. Second is healthcare coverage. Third is education, of course, and last is reduction in poverty. So next is principle 5. The child who is physically, mentally, or socially handicapped shall be given the special treatment, education, and care required by his particular condition. So, ang pasabot ani is, ang mga bata nga naay mga disability is kinahanglan hatagan og special treatment, special education, and special care. So, first is special treatment. So, like for example, sa special treatment is medical, therapeutic, or other interactions to address the child's disability. So, this could include physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, behavioral therapy, or medication. The next is a special education. So, special education is educational programs and methods designed to address the child's learning differences and help them reach their full potential. Then last is special care. Special care supports services that address the child's overall well-being, such as social work services, counseling, and respite care for families. This also encompasses creating an inclusive and supportive environment of the children. 6. The child for the full and harmonious development of his personality needs love and understanding. So, kabalo naman dyan taan no nga, a child's healthy development both emotionally and mentally is depends on receiving love and understanding from their caregivers and the people around them. Nga, we all know nga, kita gani nga as a person, if kanang mag-inusara ta, murag dili na to ma-handle ang ato ang kaugalingon bitaw, mas lahi jud nga nang naa kay makauban or naa kay ma-sharean sa imong mga problema, then mas mapagawas pa gyud nimo ang imong personality sa isa ka tawo if katong nga tawo is ginapakita niya nga naa siya'y love and understanding sa imuha. So, Principle 7, the child is entitled to receive education which shall be free and compulsory at least in the elementary grades. So, ang pasabot ani is ang mga bata jud is naay katungod sa pagdawat og free education and this is compulsory gyud sa ilaha gyud. Then sa Principle 8 is the child shall in all circumstances be among the first to receive protection and relief. So unsa man jud ay ni. So that children should be prioritized for protection and assistance in all situations regardless of the circumstances, whether it's a natural disaster, conflict or any other emergency. So children should be among the first to receive help and safeguards. The prioritization reflects the vulnerability of children and the importance of ensuring their well-being. Next is Principle 9. The child shall be protected against all forms of neglect and exploitation. So, what is neglect? This is needs encompass physical necessities like food, clothing, shelter, and healthcare, but also extend to emotional and education needs of children. Next is cruelty. So, ang cruelty is comprises any form of intentional and infliction of physical or emotional suffering on a child. Then last is the exploitation. This involves using a child for someone else's profit or advantage. Principle 10 is the child shall be protected from practices which may foster racial, religious, and any other form of discrimination. So, naay kay aspects of the principle ang Principle 10. So, first is protection from discrimination. So, children should be shielded from practices that might encourage discrimination based on the race. So, naay kay aspects of the principle. So, first is protection from discrimination. So, children should be shielded from practices that might encourage discrimination based on their race, religion, or other factors. This includes actions or policies that could lead to unequal treatment or prejudice. So, next is promoting understanding and tolerance. So children should be raised in an environment that fosters understanding, tolerance, and friendship among people of different backgrounds. This helps them develop a sense of peace and universal brotherhood. Then last is equal opportunities. So ang equal opportunities is the principles aims to ensure that children have equal opportunities to grow and develop regardless of their race, religion, or other characteristics. This includes access to education, healthcare, and other essential services.
So that's all everyone. Thank you.